Greetings and welcome to Roll. Our drives will rival LED light bulbs for global energy savings. The reason is simple. Everything in our drive rolls. Nothing slides. It has the efficiency of a bearing and the function of a gearbox. It's a substantial improvement from gears that slide, creating friction and energy losses. The small company Roll has big potential to help the environment. The sizable energy savings comes from the breadth of uses. It's relevant for anything that spins. Cars, EVs, robots, air conditioners, wind turbines, hydroelectric generators, home appliances, buses, trucks, literally thousands of applications, millions of designs, and easily a billion devices. In the coming year, we will conduct extensive testing to achieve the commercialization of our drives. We will fund the testing through a combination of YouTube and Patreon revenues. So we need your help by liking and subscribing. Contributions through Patreon would be greatly appreciated. Here at Roll, we are committed to showcasing our technology through this channel. Next, we plan a video explaining how Roll's drives outperform gears for energy efficiency. We will also provide videos explaining our technology and its capability. As we invent new devices, we will produce videos featuring them. We're also going to have some fun. Our technology can produce some fun and whimsical devices. A bit more about our technology. Before Roll, only rotation was supported by rolling elements. You know that as a ball bearing. With Roll, any motion can be supported by rolling elements. Our rolling technology also represents a significant breakthrough for mechanisms, offering improved design flexibility compared to gears, cams, and linkages. Stay tuned as we unveil the potential of Roll's technology and how it can positively impact a wide range of devices and systems. Get ready for some fantastic mechanisms. Hi, I'm Tom Dobroth, founder of Roll and inventor of Roll's technology. Help us help the environment by liking and subscribing.